Have you ever wondered how social media is reshaping the landscape of home buying? It's a question that's been on my mind, especially as a realtor with 20 years of experience. And the answer is, quite significantly. Once upon a time, home listings were limited to newspapers and physical visits. Now, they're just a click away, thanks to the advent of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X have transformed into virtual marketplaces, brimming with vivid pictures and videos of properties. They've also become a conduit for realtors and clients to interact swiftly and efficiently. However, as much as it seems straightforward, navigating this digital terrain requires a certain level of know-how. Let's delve into the story of the Johnson family to illustrate this point. Their dream home wasn't found in a newspaper or through a traditional realtor. It popped up in an Instagram story. It was a case of digital love at first sight. But without the right understanding of social media in real estate, they almost missed out on this golden opportunity. This is where my expertise as a digitally adept realtor came into play. I guided them through the process, starting with following local realtors and relevant hashtags. This simple act kept them abreast with new listings and market trends. I also encouraged them to engage with the content, ask questions, and leave comments. This interaction helped them pinpoint exactly what they were looking for. Next, we utilized social media for research. Neighborhood pages and community groups became our go-to sources for valuable insights about living in a particular area. Of course, we were also vigilant about scams, verifying listings through reliable sources. Lastly, we employed direct messaging to communicate with agents, express interest, and seek additional information. Remember, while social media is a potent tool, it's just the starting point. It should always be followed up with in-person visits and professional guidance. In the realm of real estate, social media and traditional realtors offer distinct advantages and limitations. Understanding these differences is crucial for anyone navigating the real estate market. Social media offers accessibility and convenience, visual appeal, direct communication, community insights, and education about market trends. However, it also presents challenges in terms of lack of verification, potential for scams, and the risk of misinformation. So the next time you're scrolling through your feed and stumble upon a property listing, remember the Johnsons. Embrace the power of social media, but always supplement it with professional advice. After all, buying a home is a significant decision, and you want to make sure you're making the right choice.